play tag.
I'll catch you!
Beautiful day, Cubs.
Come see this.
What is it? That's a storm.
The wind is strong!
Cubs, come here!
What's wrong, Papa? Snow is starting!
Big wet! Stay close to me.
It's so loud! So much snow!
Inside, quickly!
Hurry, everyone!
Wind is pushing me. In you go, little one.
Everyone inside?
Stay inside! It's dark now.
There. That's better.
Is the storm bad?
We are safe.
I hear it howling. Let's get cozy. This is warm.
You're safe now.
Just the wind. We're scared.
Don't be afraid. Our den is strong. I hear whistling.
Just wind singing.
Can Storm get in?
No, we're safe here.
Really? Really?
We're together.
I like being together.
I know. Story time.
Yes! Tell us a story!
Let me think.
Tell about the Northern Lights. Yes! That one! Yes!
Long, long time ago, the sky danced. Like magic ribbons.
I want to see that.
And the lights shimmered across the sky.
I saw them once. I actually saw the Northern Lights myself. You did?
Green, blue, purple.
It was the biggest salmon I had ever seen.
Tell us more.
I forgot about the storm.
That's the idea.
Who wants another? Me? Nah!
This one is about. And so the little bear wandered through the snowy woods until he found the warmest cave.
Is it quieter?
Yes, it's passing.
The storm is leaving. I'm sleepy.
Let's rest together. Good night.
Sleep well, my family.